When it comes to global military dominance, firepower is king. From stealthy ship killers to secret air-to-air weapons, the United States arsenal is evolving faster than ever. Today, we're counting down the top 9 most advanced and iconic U.S. missile systems that define modern warfare. Buckle up, because these technologies are reshaping the battlefield. Let's dive in. We start with the ultimate shield, the LGM-35A Sentinel. This is the future of America's nuclear triad. Designed to replace the aging Minuteman III, the Sentinel isn't just a missile. It's a modular software-driven beast. Set to serve until 2075, it promises easier maintenance and unstoppable reliability, ensuring that the ground-based leg of U.S. deterrence remains rock solid for the next half-century. Moving from land to sea, we have the Trident 2D5 Life Extended. Launched from Ohio-class submarines, this missile is widely considered the most reliable nuclear delivery system in history, with over 190 successful consecutive test flights. It can carry multiple independent warheads and strike virtually anywhere on Earth from hidden locations underwater, making it the silent backbone of global security. You can't talk about U.S. missiles without the legend, the Tomahawk. But this isn't the one from the 90s. The new Block V variant is a massive upgrade. It now features advanced communication kits and, crucially, a new maritime strike seeker. This transforms the classic land attack missile into a long-range ship killer, allowing U.S. Navy destroyers to hunt enemy fleets from over 1,000 miles away. Next is a jack-of-all-trades, the SM-6. This is arguably the most versatile missile in the U.S. inventory. Originally designed to shoot down airplanes and cruise missiles, the Navy discovered it's also great at sinking ships and even intercepting ballistic missiles in their terminal phase. It's 3 weapons in one, giving commanders unmatched flexibility in the heat of combat. Speaking of sinking ships, let's talk about the LGM. This is a stealthy, smart, ship-killing nightmare. Unlike traditional missiles that need constant radar guidance, the LGM uses onboard AI to hunt targets autonomously. It can dodge enemy air defenses, pick out the most valuable ship in a fleet, and strike without warning. It is the sniper of the sea. On the ground, the U.S. Army is leveling up with the PRSM, or Precision Strike Missile. Designed to fit into the famous HIMARS launchers, these are the replacement for the older HACMs. They fly faster, further, over 500 kilometers, and occupy less space, doubling the launcher's capacity. This gives the Army a massive range advantage in artillery duels against near-peer adversaries. For precision without the explosion, there's a Hellfire R9X, often called a Ninja Missile. Instead of a warhead, it carries 6 pop-out blades that deploy right before impact. It's designed to take out a single specific target, like a terrorist leader in a car, without hurting anyone standing nearby. It is the pinnacle of low collateral surgical strikes. In the air, the Air Force is keeping secrets with the AIM-260 JATM. This is the highly classified successor to the AMRAAM. Built to outrange adversaries like the Chinese PL-15, the JATM ensures that U.S. stealth fighters like the F-22 and F-35 can engage threats from distances where the enemy can't even see them coming. It is the new king of air superiority. Finally, we enter the speed of sound with the Hypersonic Attack Cruise Missile. After learning from the ARRW program, the U.S. is going all in on scramjet technology. These missiles fly at speeds above Mach 5 and can maneuver mid-flight, making them nearly impossible for current defense systems to track or intercept. This is the new frontier of kinetic warfare. From hypersonic speeds to AI-driven targeting, U.S. missile tech is advancing rapidly. Which of these systems do you think is the biggest game changer? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.